It is fascinating, and the media have made this a big viewer interest game because of the rivalry. It's one of the great rivalries in sports, and it's one of the most meaningless because neither player is on the field at the same time. However, they are two of the greatest quarterbacks in NFL history. They're the two highest paid quarterbacks in the league, and everybody is watching to see which one plays better. You can see their quarterback rankings are a little different in the playoffs. Manning's way ahead of Brady, but that's only because in Brady's first game, he didn't throw the ball. They ran the ball. They still won big. So hard to tell at this point who's going to win that game.
So what about the Seahawks versus the 49ers?
Well, interestingly enough, you have another great quarterback matchup there, but by two youngsters instead of two old veterans, and two people who don't make a whole lot of money. Russell Wilson of Seattle and Colin Kaepernick of San Francisco. They both had very successful two-year careers. The interesting thing is neither one makes any money at all. They're still in their rookie contracts. So some people say that gives those teams an advantage in the long run because they can spend that money on other players, improve their whole team.
Nancy Pelosi was just gushing over Colin Kaepernick, by the way. Okay, so of the four, who's the best?
Well, this is going to be the eternal debate. If you go by statistics, Tom Brady certainly has had more success in the playoffs, and he's beaten Peyton Manning more times. However, you look at wins above replacement, which is a baseball statistic translated to football, Peyton Manning has meant more to his team over the years. He's accounted for more victories. And when you look at points, additional points provided by those players, Peyton Manning wins again. And then when you look at their earnings over the years, Peyton Manning wins again.
Okay, so he has the edge?
Well, he does, except for the fact that this is a two-income economy these days. And while Ashley Manning is a beautiful woman, she stays at home. And Tom Brady's wife is the highest-paid supermodel in the world. In fact, Gisele made $45 million last year, which is more than Tom and Peyton combined.
Wow.
And in her career, she has made more than the two of them combined, and she doesn't risk injury every Sunday.
No, unless she makes a wrong yoga pose or something like that.
If you're going to raise your kids to do something, raise them to be supermodels as opposed to football quarterbacks. That's the lesson.
I think genetics might play into that. And she made that comment a few weeks ago, something like she never watches football unless her husband is playing that.
Well, she'll be watching on Sunday.